got so motherfucking design on right now. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. I got 3 old thoughts on the block.
All right, we are on the record in the matter of the city of Wyandotte versus Dewan Jackson, 251361 A, B, and C. And counsel, your appearance, please.
Attorney Corey Westmoreland, appearing on behalf of Mr. Jackson. Mr. Jackson, would you please state your name for the record?
State your name.
Dewan Jackson.
Okay, thank you. And counsel, as to the arraignment.
At this time, you're on. On the reading, can I stand on mute?
The court will waive the formal reading, enter a plea of not guilty for purposes of the arraignment, and we'll schedule this matter for pretrial on October 1st. 10:15 a.m. And counsel as to bond.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Jackson is currently residing in Wyandotte. He is self-employed as a masonry, not currently on probation, parole, has no pending matters, and after speaking with him blank this morning, he did assure me he would be appearing at all future court dates and understands the importance of doing so. I would just ask that all that be taken into account in assessing the bonds on behalf of Mr. Jackson.
Okay, Mr. Jackson, who do you reside with?
A lady friend, Diana Penner.
I'm sorry?
A lady friend over on 1449 Oak. Her name Diana Penner.
Okay, and sir, if you were to test right now, what is in your system?
Nothing. Well, they blew me. They blew me and I was free of alcohol.
Okay. And what happened with your matter last year in this court?
I don't know what.
Ellie, pull him up. He had a case September 10th of 24.
Oh. I don't remember. I had a court date for September, you say?
No, you had a case in this court,
Oh,
September. You had a case in this court last year.
And she has active warrant.
Okay, well, you have warrants, so we're gonna pull those cases. Is it the 24 case?
There's a 24 case and there's a 17 case.
Okay, you have, well, yes, I saw the matter from 17. So sir, just sit tight. We're gonna pull your other matters. We're gonna handle them all. We'll just do an arraignment on all of them today and put them all. So it's gonna be just a couple moments, okay? So we can pull those cases. And we're back on the record in the matter of the city of Wyandotte versus Dewan Jackson. 251361 ABC. And we've also added 241314 AB, 172938. And counsel, your appearance again for the record, please.
Corey Westmoreland, appearing on behalf of Mr.
Thank you. Mr. Jackson, your name again for the record.
Ron W. Jackson.
All right. There's no talking in court. All right, and counsel, as to, we've already conducted the arraignment on the 25 matter, but then it was discovered that there's a warrant for Mr. Jackson on 241314 A and B, and then also 172938. And so as the arraignment on those matters.
Yes, Your Honor, we ask that those be read into the record at this time.
There's no talking in court. If you need to have a conversation, please go in the lobby. The court is going to note that the court has before it a complaint that alleges on September 10th, 2024, that Mr. Jackson did have in his possession controlled substance and drug paraphernalia. That's a misdemeanor charge. The maximum penalty upon conviction is not more than 93 days in jail and or a $500 fine or both. The court will also note that on that same date, in the city of Wyandotte, it's also alleged that Mr. Jackson was driving a vehicle while a license was suspended. The maximum penalty upon conviction is not more than 93 days in jail and or a $500 fine or both. And then as the 2017 matter, the court has before it a complaint that alleges, on August 5th of 2017, the city of Wyandotte, the defendant was driving while license was suspended. That's a state charge, and that matter is also, well, that's a second subsequent offense notice, so the maximum penalty upon conviction on that matter is 1 year in jail and or a $1,000 fine or both. Do you understand what you're charged with, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and the court is going to order, the court, excuse me, on the 17 matter, we'll schedule this for a pretrial on September 25th.
10:45.
The court will also enter a plea of not guilty for purposes of the arraignment. And then the court will, on the 241314A and B matter, the court will enter a plea of not guilty. Schedule this matter for pretrial on October 1st, which I think is the date we gave the other one, right?
10:50.
At 10:15 a.m.
Can I ask you?
And counsel asked to bond on these matters.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Jackson is currently residing in Wyandotte. He is self-employed. He is not currently on probation. And after speaking with him, he did assure me he would be appearing. I just asked that all that be taken into account.
Sir, why do you keep ghosting us and not showing up?
Well, no excuses. 11 grandkids, and I just forgot, ma'am. But I have a question. Is it possible that I can get all those things that you just said for one day, and like on the 1st, and come in for all that instead of like the 25th and then coming in on the 1st?
No, no, and that's because the 2017 matter, the one that's scheduled for September 25th, is a state case and it's a different prosecutor. So I put two of them together because it's a city of Wyandotte prosecutor, but the other one, it has to be a Thursday. So, sir, 11 grandkids, and still doesn't tell me why you haven't shown up for 8 years. 8 years you haven't shown up.
I have no excuse, ma'am.
And let me be very clear. 2017 driving while license suspended was your charge. 24 driving while license suspended was one of your charges. And surprise, surprise, that's one of your charges again this time. So court has serious concerns for the safety of the public and for Mr. Jackson's ability to comply with this court's orders and the laws of the state of Michigan. Therefore, on the 2017 matter 2938, the court's going to order a $5,000 10% bond. No driving, although you're not supposed to anyway, and that seems to be problematic. The court's going to also order on 241314A, the court's going to order a $7,500 10% bond, not to possess or consume any alcohol or drugs that are not prescribed, and no driving. And on case number 251361, the court's going to order on both counts A and B, the court's going to order a $7,500 10% bond each count.
I think the 24 matter count B is a mistake.
Yes, it sure is. And so on the 241314, that $7,500 bond is on each count. We'll see you back next Thursday, sir, on one of the matters.